As a landscape architect, I draw vegetation constantly. Trees, shrubs, grasses, everything that makes space feel alive. And honestly, I wish I had started practicing this way years ago. I'd be a much better artist today. Vegetation in the real world comes in almost infinite forms, but no matter what you're drawing, it all boils down to three things, particularly with plants. That's texture, form, and color. Even in black and white, those three qualities can make or break your vegetation in your landscape sketch. Most people try to avoid drawing meaningful vegetation. You've seen it: lollipop trees, cotton candy blobs, troll doll silhouettes, and a lot of art books even tell you not to draw detailed trees at all. Just suggest them. That advice works sometimes, but not if you want a convincing landscape. Before I learned this trick, I struggled too. Every plant looked stiff or overthought, but vegetation plays a role in your scene, and sometimes it's the star. Sometimes it's the supporting actor in the story. Either way, you need a fast, reliable way to make it look believable. And you need to do it without leaning on AI tools, photo bashing, or digital stamps. There's nothing more powerful for a designer than having a real command of a pencil, pen, or tablet. So here's the method I wish I learned sooner: the scribble technique. It takes the pressure off trying to draw every leaf perfectly. Instead of outlining a tree or shrub, you build it with controlled chaos, clusters of circular, irregular marks. It works in ink, marker, pencil, or digital brushes like I'm using here in Photoshop with the Wacom tablet. And the best part, it instantly adds detail, even though it's barely a detail at all. Use bigger, looser scribbles for vegetation closer to the viewer, tighter, smaller ones for trees farther away. Press harder or layer more scribbles to push the values darker. And once you've got a base layer, you can hatch diagonally to deepen the shadows. It's quick, it's expressive, and it frees you up to focus on the important stuff: composition, depth, scale, and storytelling. If you've been avoiding drawing vegetation, try this. It will change everything, and trust me, you'll wish you started years ago too.